Demolition hazards. The premature collapse of structures. Work at height. Plant and machinery. Contact with live overheads. Contact with buried surfaces. Movement of vehicles. Noise and vibration. Hazardous substances from previous use of the building. Biological hazards from vermin or stagnant water. Sharp objects, including glass and nails from the demolition, or syringes left by trespassers. Manual handling. Precautions for demolition. A. An engineering survey of the structure and equipment is conducted by a competent person knowledgeable in demolition to determine all of the following. I. The condition of the foundation, roof, walls, and floors. 2. Whether any adjacent structure will be affected by the demolition except that if a connection portion is a different level, then that portion may be removed first. 3. Check for any unanticipated hazards such as chemicals, gases, explosives, flammable materials, asbestos, live electric lines, and presence of any instrument/telephone cables, utilities, etc. B. Major demolitions shall be undertaken by specialists in this field. C. The contractor shall submit a detailed method statement to the team leader of the executing division, and obtain prior approval for it before commencing work. D. At least 5-meter radius around the demolition site shall be barricaded. E. All glass doors and windows shall be removed before demolition. F. Efforts shall be made to minimize dust formation. For example, wetting. G. Demolition work shall be started from upper elevation of the structure and come down gradually towards lower elevation. No work shall be permitted below. H. Demolished material shall be removed from the site at the earliest and before the end of the day to a temporary approved dump site until final removal from Knpc premises. I. Demolished material should not be left as weight on the structure, which can cause collapse of the remaining structure. Demolished materials shall not be used as a support. J. Any structure where support has been removed and work suspended overnight, must be adequately braced before leaving the site and shall be barricaded. K. Asbestos removal shall be as per documents, asbestos abatement program. L. Workers shall not be permitted to work on a floor below a floor opening when demolition is conducted on the upper level. Mechanical demolition. A. Mechanical equipment shall not be used on a floor or other working surface unless the floor or surface is capable of supporting the imposed load of the equipment and the anticipated material loads. B. A floor or wall opening shall have curbs or stop logs, to prevent mechanical equipment from running over the edge. C. Only those employees necessary to the operation of mechanical demolition equipment shall be permitted in the demolition area at any time. D. Roof cornices and other ornamental stonework shall be removed before pulling a wall over. E. When demolition involves use of a pusher arm, it should be used only when the equipment is on firm level ground. F. It should not be overloaded and should generally be used from outside and not from inside the building. G. The height of the building should, in the first instance, be reduced to a height to suit the machine being used, then the height should be reduced progressively by pushing small sections to the ground. H. Where this method is adopted for demolition of attached buildings, the structure to be demolished should first be detached by hand demolition. Removal of structural steel. A. During manual demolition, structural steel shall be removed column length by column length and tier by tier without overstressing any member. B. Structural steel members shall be lowered from an upper level by mechanical means. C. During manual demolition of a structure of skeleton steel construction, the steel framing may be left in place, but it shall be ensured that all structural supports are cleared of loose material as the demolition proceeds downward.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.